Let me ask you something. What if I told you that you could make money on YouTube, real, consistent income, without ever joining the YouTube Partner Program? No monetization, 1,000 subscribers, no 4,000 watch hours, still making money. Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds impossible. But it's not. Right now, there are thousands of creators, just like you, making full-time income from YouTube without earning a single dollar from AdSense. In fact, some of the most successful channels on the platform have never been monetized. And here's the wild part. Many of them are faceless. They don't show their identity. They don't even use their own voice. They just use the right tools and the right strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they do it. You're about to learn 6 powerful ways to make money on YouTube without ever turning on monetization. I'll show you real examples, smart workflows using AI, and faceless strategies you can start using today. This is what's working right now. Whether you're brand new or just tired of waiting to get approved, this video could completely change how you look at YouTube. So grab your focus, because what you're about to hear can literally unlock your YouTube income, starting now. Let's get into it. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest ways to start making money on YouTube without relying on monetization. Here's how it works. You create a video around a tool, a product, or a service, something that your audience would actually use. Then you drop your affiliate link in the video description. Whenever someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get paid. It's that simple. No need to wait for YouTube's approval. No need for ads. Just provide value and let your audience do the rest. This works especially well in niches like tech, productivity, online tools, finance, and of course, AI. For example, a faceless channel focused on AI tools makes tutorial videos. They promote tools like Jasper, Surfer SEO, and Synthesia using affiliate links. And with just a few thousand monthly views, they're earning several $1,000s in commissions. Here's the best part. You don't even need to appear on camera. You can script your video using ChatGPT, add voiceover with 11 Labs, and create visuals with Pictory or Runway. It's completely automated and completely scalable. Quick tip: use bit.ly to shorten your links and track your clicks. And don't forget to add a pinned comment. It can double your conversions. 2. Sell digital products. Create once, sell forever. Digital products are one of the most underrated income streams on YouTube. Why? Because there's no shipping, no inventory, and once you create the product, you can sell it over and over again. Here are a few digital products you can sell right now: ebooks, Notion templates, ChatGPT prompt packs, online guides, Excel calculators, downloadable planners. Now imagine this. You create a 60-second video showing how to stay productive using AI tools. At the end, you link to a $10 Notion template that automates your daily workflow. 20 people buy it. You just made $200 from one short video. No monetization, no ads. And this method works in almost any niche, from personal development to finance to education to productivity. Use tools like Gumroad or Payhip to sell your products. Use Canva or Notion to create them. And let ChatGPT help you package the content. Create once, sell forever. 3. Sponsorships. Even with a small audience. Most people think you need 100,000 subscribers to get sponsors. But here's the truth. You don't need big numbers. You need a focused audience. Brands care about who watches your videos, not how many. Even with just 500 subscribers, you can land micro-sponsorships that pay hundreds of dollars per video if your content aligns with their brand. Here's how to do it. Pick a niche. Let's say AI tools. Create a few high-value videos showing off different apps. Then reach out to small startups, Chrome extensions, or SaaS platforms in that space. Pitch them directly. Say something like, "Hey, I run a YouTube channel focused on AI tools. I've built an engaged audience that loves discovering new software. Would you be open to sponsoring a short video walkthrough of your product?" Keep it simple. Offer value. Don't overthink it. You can also create a quick media kit using a site like Passionfruit or Canva. And if you want to automate the process, list yourself on sites like Collabster or Billo, places where brands are already looking for creators to work with. Start small, be professional, and scale from there. 4. Online courses. Teach what you know. If you've got knowledge in a specific area, or if you've learned something valuable through experience, package it into a mini course and sell it. This doesn't need to be a massive 10-hour masterclass. It could be a 30-minute video series teaching how to start a faceless YouTube channel, how to use ChatGPT for content creation, how to automate social media with AI, or anything else your audience wants to learn. Use free videos to attract viewers. Then, offer your paid course as the next step. You can host it on platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or even Gumroad, and you don't need a studio setup. You can record your screen, add a voiceover, and structure it as a guided walkthrough. Here's an example. One small, faceless channel created a few YouTube shorts about ChatGPT tricks. Then, they launched a $47 course called Prompt Engineering for Beginners. With just 10 sales per week, they're making nearly $2,000 a month. No AdSense, no face, just smart strategy. 5. Print on demand, sell merch without inventory. You can launch your own merchandise without spending a single dollar up front. Using platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble, you can create custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, phone cases, and sell them globally. All you need is a cool idea. Think about the niche you're in. If you're in AI, create shirts that say, "Prompt like a pro," or "I talk to robots." If your niche is motivation, make hoodies with powerful quotes. Let Midjourney or Leonardo.ai design the artwork. Use Canva for mock-ups, and upload your designs to your chosen print-on-demand platform. Then mention the merch in your videos. Add the link in the description, pin a comment, and boom, you've got a passive income stream. Faceless channels are using this exact method to generate daily sales from their most viral shorts. You don't need to be Mr. Beast. You just need a good idea and a way to get people excited about it. 6. YouTube automation and freelance services. Here's a strategy almost nobody talks about. You can make money on YouTube by helping other YouTubers. Seriously. Here's how. Offer services like video scripting, thumbnail creation, voiceover work, editing, channel automation. You can build a faceless portfolio channel that shows your skills. Then pitch your services to other creators who need help, but don't have time to do it themselves. Let's say you create a few shorts showing how you use ChatGPT to script videos. Someone watches it, likes your style, and reaches out. Now you're scripting videos for their channel for $200 a month. Stack a few of those clients, and suddenly you're making a full-time income. You can also offer packages on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Leverage your knowledge, sell your skill, and get paid behind the scenes. Now you know the truth. You don't need to be monetized to make money on YouTube. You don't need 1,000 subscribers. You don't need watch time, and you definitely don't need to wait for permission. All you need is one solid income stream and the drive to take action. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one of the 6 strategies I shared today. Just one, and take action on it this week. Because if you keep waiting, you're leaving money on the table. The tools are free. The opportunities are real, and there's never been a better time to start than right now. If you got value from this video, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more content on building faceless YouTube channels, using AI tools to make money, and growing your brand from zero to AI, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.